Hey there and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out this rather unique building right behind me. It's called the D'Arenberg Cube. It's here in McLaren Vale in South Australia, around about an hour south of Adelaide. This cube is, this building is quite unique. There's nothing else like it in any of the wineries in this part of the world. It opened in 2017, costing 15 million Australian dollars. And today is a rather unique tourist attraction here in beautiful South Australia. And today, we're going to check it out. Alright, so we're about to take this stairway up to the third floor. Now there's all these different globes or like spheres of colour, I don't want to fall up the stairs, which are hanging from the ceiling right now. There's 34 of them and they each represent the 34 different varieties of wine that you can get here at D'Arenberg. So cool, right? And there's incredible artwork here on the wall and it's all been done by some of Australia's best cartoonists. You should check it out. Actually, we'll check it out now. We're on the third floor right now and there's a restaurant here which isn't actually operating today, but it has this really kind of cool quirky view of the McLaren Vale vineyards, which are just out these weirdly shaped windows. You get like a great view over the vineyards, but one thing I really like about this place is the super quirky upholstery. All right, check this out, right? It's like a coat of many colors, like that Dolly Parton song. All the seats and the couches in here all have this rather funky looking aesthetic, which I think is pretty good. What do you think, Tam? You digging the chair? Is it comfy as well as quirky looking?
Yes.
This place is more than just a winery, as you can probably work out by now. It's almost like a museum or a piece of art in its own bizarre, strange way. Like you have these weird old-fashioned kind of toys here, or you have toys that are kind of made into other different pieces of art. So these creepy looking doll's heads here, for example, kind of tripping me out a little bit. But one of my favorite things, and you even got Groot here hanging out over here with a praying mantis, which is a little bit unusual. But my favorite part here is all the Smurfs. I feel like I'm a 12-year-old kid again. If you have a look here, but there's a whole bunch of them and they're all doing their own little quirky stuff, but I really feel sorry for the guy who got caught by the dinosaur. Hey, I hope you're getting some great value out of this video, and if you are, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe buttons. It only takes a second and it really helps out this little channel so I can keep making videos like this one for you. Thank you for listening today. I do appreciate it. Let's get back to the video. On the fourth floor right now, and there's more weird and quirky and unique things to check out. There's this weird looking spinning wheel right behind me. It's I've never seen anything quite like this. All right, so I've just worked out that what happens is you gently spin the wheel to find out what wine you should be tasting. And up on the wall behind me, there's actually a sign which kind of tells you what wine coordinates with the number that you end up spinning. Okay, so it's landed on the hermit crab, which comes in at number 55. Let's have a look up here on the board and see what I should be trying. All right, so I can't pronounce that wine. It's called Viognier Marsan. So that's it. Let's head to the bar and try it out. All right, so couldn't get the one on the wheel. That's okay. So we're going to do a bit of a taste anyway. This one's called the Dry Jam. It's a type of Riesling. It's really nice, quite fruity. Yeah, that's pretty good. I like that one. Next one's a Sauvignon Blanc called the Low Life. Let me try that one. All right, this is a low alcohol option. So only got 8% alcohol compared to the other one. It's really quite nice. Nice, light, fruity. Probably tastes good with fish or chicken. Good summertime drop. Thumbs up for that one. All right, so this one here is a rosé. It's called the House of Pink. Mind your P's and Q's. Keen to try this one here. Let's have a look. Okay, it's quite a different flavour to the previous ones there, of course, like rosé, normally a sweeter kind of wine. Really like that one too. Nice and light.
You gonna finish it?
Got a good fragrance. No. Okay, on to the next one. All right, so the last one we're going to try today is one called the Dead Arm. It's a Shiraz. Dead Arm reminds me of being in grade 5 in primary school and copying the Dead Arm from my mates. Thanks, fellas. Let's give it a try. All right, okay, it's a lot stronger in flavour, kind of woody almost. Yeah, not really digging that one. This is a 2018 one. It's a nice drop, but yeah, just not my bag. But there you go, the Dead Arm. Great name for a drop of wine, though. Looks a little bit like Marilyn Manson. All right, this is one of the tasting rooms up here on the 4th floor, but it actually feels like a pick apart for body parts, not car parts. There's arms and there's other limbs here, all like carved out of or created out of tree branches. It's super unique and it's just really very, very trippy, like this whole place. All right, this is something you don't normally see. Don't normally see a horse-drawn carriage of snow globes from all over the world right behind me. It's just another one of the quirky attractions here, or the quirky features of this level here at D'Arenberg. I almost got cut out of jumping in the elevator. Even if look on the elevator walls, you see here how it's got some really cool pictures of the vineyards. What do you reckon, Tam? Pretty awesome, right?
Yeah.
It almost feels like this place is more an art gallery than a winery almost. Or maybe it's just the best of both worlds.
The D'Arenberg Cube really is a unique tourist attraction here in South Australia. One that I don't think you'll see anywhere else in the world. Like, wow, the winery do you know of has a big ass cube on it. To learn more about South Australia or see more great things that you can do in South Aussie, you want to click on this video over here next. As usual, thank you for your company today. I do appreciate your support and I'll see you in the next video.